Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our gorgeous channel. And recently I challenged myself to do a makeup look based on the filter from TikTok while I am going to play a roulette game. So I just really hope that the roulette would choose the right one. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, it chooses the Megan makeup version 2. Yay, I'm so excited. See you in a bit. I'm back beautiful people, so we're gonna go ahead now and start. I have already moisturized my skin with some hyaluronic acid, so I decided to use the Scotch tape to make sure that my eyeshadow will have like a perfect shade. For my eyebrow liner, I am gonna be using this Maybelline Hyper Easy Pin Liner in deep brown, and I just simply fill in the blanks with some of the gaps of my eyebrow. To have a perfect shape of my eyebrow, I am going to be using this Kat Von D concealer and corrector in light number 18. And then for my eyeshadow primer, I am going to be using this Lila B eyeshadow primer in vibrant. And then I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow set, and I love this eyeshadow because it has like a cool tone or a lighter tone. I start with a very light brown color all over my eyelid, and then follow it up with a darker brown color on the outer corner of my eyes, and then on the inner corner I use a lighter shade. And then I'm using this Maybelline Color Tattoo up to 24 hour. The shade for this one, I am Determined. I am applying it below the waterline of my eyes and then taking off the Scotch tape. For my primer, I use this L Power Grip Primer with Niacinamide, and then for my concealer, I use a Bare Minerals Gen Nude. The shade for this one is Exposed. And I love using this e.l.f. Hello Glow in shade number 4 just to give like a dewy look of my makeup. And I just simply apply it on the high points of my face. To blend it all over my face, I use a damp beauty sponge, and it actually works really good. Then for my powder foundation, I am using this Makeup by Mario Liquid Foundation Surreal Skin in shade number 10C. This is one of my favorite foundation. And then I use this One Size setting powder in Ultra Pink to set my concealer. And for my powder foundation, I am using this e.l.f. finishing powder in medium dark. Using my dense brush, I use it all over my face just to set my liquid foundation in place. Creating a nose line, I use the same brush that I use for my eyebrow. And then I contour it using the same brush for my eyeshadow because it has already some products in there. Then to set my contour, I use this e.l.f. Can't Stop Won't Stop in light shade. And I also use this one under my eyes as well. You guys, can we just appreciate how smooth under my eyes is? And then I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Loose Powder in shade 521B. I use this one for baking to let my face look like a cake. To set my liquid foundation and my powder foundation in place. For my contour, I am going to be using this Cover FX Contour Kit in medium. To give like a smooth transition of my contour, I am going to be using this Lorac Tantalizer in shade 1275. And I applied it under my cheekbone, on my temple, and under my jawline. I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultra Black Liquid Eyeliner. This is waterproof, so I really love this liquid eyeliner. Then for my blush on, I use Bare Minerals Blush in shade You Had Me at Merlot. And for my highlighter, I use a Revolution Highlighter Reloaded. The shade for this one is Dare to Divulge. For my setting spray, I'm using this Revolution Fix and Glow setting spray. I'm using this glue for my falsies from Lorella Everlasting Eyelash Glue. This one really give like a good grip of my false eyelashes. You can cry like a river, but the falsies will stay forever. Then for my lips, I'm using this Laura Mercier in True Red and this Rare Beauty lip oil in shade Muse. I always like using a lip liner to give like a perfect shape of my lips. This lip oil is super hydrating, and I love Selena Gomez. I love her Rare Beauty products. Here's the final look, beautiful people, of this Megan makeup part 2, and I hope you guys like the video. Happy holidays to you all. I still need a little bit of work to really achieve this look. But all in all, I am pretty much happy with the result, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you all for watching. This holiday season, let us not forget to spread love and kindness.